Hey everybody. Check this out. We've been cleaning this restaurant here. This is the path that goes into the kitchen. Holy moly. But I just want to show you, I'm not even using tubes, hoses, heat, nothing. I'm using my encapsulation cleaning products today. And I want to show you how well it cuts through, even on the greasiest of restaurants. If you don't believe how well this, if you don't believe me after seeing this, well, I don't know what to tell you. But just look at it. Look at it. This is a thick layer of grease. This is all emulsifying and coming right up. Look at this. Look at that. If anyone tells you that you can't low moisture clean carpet, they're wrong. Check it out. Look at that. We'll just leave this little spot here so we can show you the comparison. Clean, clean, and then bam, dirty.